Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, but quite the turn of events here. I mean, going into today, and as I've talked about in the past videos, I mean, the price was doing a great job of just chipping away with these higher lows, but with the gap down here, it was a gap and run to the downside. I mean, sometimes these things will gap down, stabilize out, and then turn themselves back around, but that just wasn't the case here. After that, the gap down was really just the start, and then the price continued to get pushed further downwards. So a lot of updates here. First key level to keep an eye on going forward is going to be this level of support right here at $6, and we'll call it about 92 cents. That level is important because going back through the history of things, you can see that after this nice move upwards there, the price did go sideways, and essentially the bottom portion of that sideways pattern was right there at 692. So good to see that level held strong once again, and that is why you would want to see it hold up there. In the event it does not hold, the next key level of support down there at 675, and there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but it also would not be very shocking that if the price, especially if it's a higher volume break to the downside, if that were to occur, to see the price drift its way down to the 675 mark. Again, not a guarantee, but also not exactly wouldn't be shocking if that were to occur. But to be fair, so far so good. The price is doing a good job of holding above 692, so you definitely want to see that continue to happen going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the purple line here, the 50-period moving average, and that's just based off a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into today, that purple line was establishing itself as the overarching area of support, but with that brutal session this morning, it's now been converted back into a level of resistance, so keep an eye on that. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not really has anything to do with breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about just trying to stabilize out and chip away at a bottom, and we'll see if this 692 level can be the new bottom or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.